All right, here is our crash course on skincare. First thing to know is that our catalog is sort of already divided up into what's best for skin types. So it's hard to notice unless you're really looking for it. But along the very edge here, this says Advanced Anti-Aging for all skin types. So on our Skin Luxuries page 6, that's good for all skin types. I think the only exception to that would be microdermabrasion cream. We don't usually recommend if you have sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, use either charcoal facial polish or hydrating facial polish. The next page, Restore Glow, says for anti-aging, sensitive, and all skin types. So if you have somebody, if you are or have somebody with sensitive skin, start with the Restore Glow page and go from there. Our next is Naturally Radiant. Okay, on the side, this is sort of the exception. On the side it says all skin types, but we recommend Naturally Radiant if you have dry skin. And also this is the page, it's also good for sensitive skin. So if you're looking for something for sensitive skin that wasn't on the page that says sensitive skin, for instance, there isn't any facial mist or toner on the sensitive skin page. So I recommend rose water is good for sensitive skin, and so is our prebiotic, or you can even use Set and Refresh spray as a toner if you have sensitive skin. Okay, the next page is Beautifully Balanced. On the sides here, it says combination to oily skin. I usually for combination recommend the prebiotic line instead of the Beautifully Balanced line, because the tea tree is super great at drying out the oily skin. But if you don't have oily skin, like a combo, if you're just oily in your T-zone and you're dry maybe on your cheeks, then the tea tree line is going to further dry out the already dry spots, and so that's not going to be good. So my favorite line to start with is our Simple Skin line. Over here says all skin types. Our blue line, or our prebiotic line, you might hear it called. Our Simple Skin is, I think it truly is good for all skin types. It comes with our prebiotic facial wash, prebiotic facial mist, and our coconut rehab cream. And the prebiotics in there helps feed the healthy bacteria on your skin. It just does wonderful things for lots of conditions. If you're having acne or that combination skin, it could help to balance out the combination skin. So everybody needs 3 things. You need a facial wash, a facial mist, and a moisturizer. So start there and then add on. So I think probably the next most important thing to add on is a facial polish, because that's going to exfoliate the dead layer of skin, and it's going to allow everything else that you're using to work better. Like if somebody has dry skin and they just keep putting moisturizer on and they keep still having dry skin and they don't know why, probably the problem is that they're not exfoliating. And so their moisturizer is trying to fight through the dead skin. If we can exfoliate the dead layer of skin, then the moisturizer can work better. So we have 2. We have 2 facial polishes that have the name polish, and then the third that is also exfoliating is microdermabrasion cream. So we have the charcoal detox facial polish over here on this page, on page 11, and on page 8 we have our hydrating facial polish over here. So if you have sensitive or dry skin, definitely use the hydrating. If you have oily or combination skin, charcoal, and if you have normal skin, you could use either, and that's going to be great. But our microdermabrasion cream on page 6, our anti-aging luxury page, is amazing because it's exfoliating that dead layer of skin, but it also has anti-aging benefits. I'm just going to read this for you really fast. Soften age spots, reduce the appearance of pores, and smooth fine lines with deep exfoliating volcanic microcrystals suspended in a conditioning cream. It's a mild alternative to a chemical peel. Doesn't that sound awesome? It is. Okay, and so then adding on from there, after you have your basic routine and you're exfoliating 1 to 2 times a week, probably the next thing to add, when you're ready, take your time, there's no rush, but the next thing is probably taking care of your eyes. The skin around your eye is some of the most sensitive skin on your whole body. It's the thinnest skin on your body, and so it just needs things that are just a little bit different, which is why we have eye creams. But if you have dark circles, definitely going to recommend our probiotic eye gel. That's this one over here on our Skin Luxuries page. this guy right here. It's awesome at the dark circles. It is a jelly consistency though, so if you're only putting on the eye gel, it's gonna leave just a little bit of a sticky residue. It's not gonna feel great, which is why we also need the eye cream. So you can have just the eye cream if you only want to add one step. The eye gel is amazing at everything, but you can use just the cream. I just don't recommend only the gel, if that makes sense. So we have the hydrating eye cream on our Naturally Radiant page, and we have Repair eye cream on our Beautifully Balanced. If you are normal to dry, I'm gonna recommend the hydrating, and if you're combo to oily, gonna recommend Repair. The next step is probably a serum or a mask. I'm not sure. You can go either way. But we have a hydrating facial mask and we have a charcoal facial mask. Sort of like I said before on the charcoal polish and hydrating polish, if you have dry or sensitive, I'm going to recommend the hydrating facial mask. If you have combination to oily, you're going to recommend charcoal, and if you're normal, you can go either way. Charcoal is cool. It helps draw out impurities, so that's awesome. Oh, if you have sensitive skin, also definitely recommend the hydrating. Okay, so masks are pretty cool because what they're doing is they're giving your skin all the wonderful things that it needs. And because it stays there, it stays on your face for 10 to 15 minutes, it really has a chance to absorb before you wipe it off. So it's just a vehicle for giving your skin the amazing ingredients that it needs. Serums. We have 3 serums. We have Anti-Aging Oil Serum, we have Lightening Serum, and Vitamin C Serum. Oh, I did that wrong. Lightening is here and Vitamin C is here. Serums are liquid gold. They're just phenomenal at getting, sort of like masks, it's getting your skin the things that it needs. Just awesome. It's hard to explain really, but they're great. So our Anti-Aging Oil Serum features a blend of vitamins to boost collagen production, aids in reversing the signs of aging, guards against free radicals, and boosts luminosity. So that's cool. Our Vitamin C Serum is enriched with vitamin C, plant cells, hyaluronic acid, and fortifying MSM. Daily multivitamin for your skin. Like, if you're going to be so concerned about what's going in your body through your mouth, we should also be concerned about what's going in your body through your skin, because things absorb through the skin. Anyway, daily multivitamin for your skin revives your complexion, rebuilds elasticity, retains hydration, and promotes healthy collagen production. And the last one is our Vitamin C Serum. It's awesome at evening your skin tone. If you have any sunspots or age spots that you're concerned about, you could use the Vitamin C Serum for those. And for any of our serums, you can use them as a spot treatment. That makes the most sense to me for the Lightening Serum. Like if you just have a spot that you're worried about, you can put it just on the spot, or you can put it over your whole face. When we're using our serums, I just put a few drops on my palm and then spread it on both of my fingers, and then I just press it onto my skin like this. If you have a Jade, the next thing I want to talk about, our Jade Roller. This is on our Anti-Aging Skin Luxuries page. It definitely feels like a spa treatment to me because you just roll the Jade Roller on your skin, and just it by itself, can help. I'm just gonna read it, sorry. Ultra trendy tool, supports lymphatic drainage, boosts blood circulation, decreases under eye swelling. There's a big side and a little side. The little side you just roll right underneath your eyes if you have puffy eyes, and that's awesome. But the reason I was going to talk about it alongside the serums is because they work together. The Jade Roller can help press the serum into your skin so that it goes down deeper, better, and it boosts the blood circulation, so that helps the serum work better too. Okay, a couple other things I wanted to mention really fast. Our Anti-Aging Cleansing Oil is a 2-in-1. For anybody that wears makeup, you should have anti-aging cleansing oil because it can remove your makeup and clean your face at the same time. I don't wear makeup very often, and I use anti-aging cleansing oil to clean my face at night sometimes, especially if my face is feeling dry. That helps add moisture. I know it sounds really weird to clean your face with oil, but it's not going to break you out. It's not going to make your face oily. It's just, oil attracts oil. Like, it's going to help. It's wonderful and you should try it. Okay, so I sort of skipped over. We have the gentle cleanser, or the gentle face cream. If you have sensitive skin, use the gentle face cream. And I think I talked about most of the things here. We have anti-blemish spa treatment. If you have any kind of acne, whether that's hormonal or just a way of life acne, anti-blemish spa treatment is worth it. I don't get pimples very often, but when I get one, I'm so glad that I have that, because it takes away the pain and the pressure and the swelling and the redness. Okay, like, it doesn't make it disappear in 2 seconds, but like, it helps all of those things, shortens the life cycle of your pimple. It's good stuff. Oh, and lastly, our bar soaps, our facial bar soaps. We have 3 kinds of facial bar soaps, and they're hiding over here. Our lavender goat's milk is for dry or sensitive skin. Our tea tree is for oily, or if you have acne prone skin, you could use the tea tree, but it might dry you out. So if you have dry skin and acne, then I'm going to recommend charcoal. Charcoal is good for all skin types except sensitive. If you have sensitive skin, then use our lavender goat's milk. But charcoal facial polish is good for all skin types and helps draw out that impurities. And it's our #2 bestseller from 2020. So it's awesome and everybody loves it. You should try it. All right, I think that's my crash course on skincare. Please let me know if you have any questions. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.